Hi, this is Tom Varcie at Military Embedded Systems at Xponential 2018 in Denver this year. And I'm with Alan from XES. How are you, Alan?
I'm well, Tom. Thank you. Thanks for stopping at our booth.
Sure, absolutely. I was walking by the booth. I saw a whole bunch of great products here that I know are in unmanned systems, since that was this show was about. And Alan's going to talk to us about a couple of products that XES has.
Certainly, Tom. So one of our flagship products is our Xpand 6211, which is a chassis-based system you can see on the picture here. This is a highly ruggedized chassis that contains not only 24 Ethernet switch ports, but also a Cisco router and a processor for some light processing work. So that's our Xpand 6211. We have a Xpand 6212 that sits in the same chassis, and what we do with that is we have less Ethernet switch ports, still have the Cisco router, less Ethernet switch ports, but we add a Expedite 7670, which is a 12-core Xeon D 3U VPX board. So in the spirit of Victory Army vehicles, where they want one box that it can do multiple different functions, multiple different missions. That Xeon D processor with 12 cores running some maybe a VMware type of thing can serve that purpose. It can, you can have your Ethernet switch, you can have your Cisco router, and you can also have this high capacity VME Intel processor to do that heavy work. That's a big iron product. It's a very plug and play. There's a lot of applications that can take one or both of those boxes without any changes. And then we could fast forward to or move to a much smaller type of unit, which is actually more applicable to this particular show because the UAVs are smaller, their payloads are less. This is a processor and a Ethernet switch. Running Linux, you could have a Linux router, switch, and even a little bit of processing data. This sits inside of a small helicopter UAV, and it provides the payload a high-speed bandwidth capability through gigabit Ethernet.
Wow, great products from Extreme Engineering here at Xponential 2018. Alan, tell us how people can get more information about XES products.
Tom, they can get on www.xes-inc.com. That's www.xes-inc.com. Thanks.
All right, well, thank you very much. And Tom Varcie again from Military Embedded Systems, and you can watch more of our videos on Twitter at #Militaryvlogger.